How's everyone doing so good so far? All right. So for our third and final get acquainted games, I'm gonna ask you guys to pull out your cell phones and again get in a circle or get together with your team so you guys are fairly close. And then we're going to everyone's gonna find an app, one or two apps on their phone, and you're going to find some apps that you feel kind of represent you, or maybe that you feel people wouldn't know about you. So, like for example, I have an app on my phone called Libby because I actually really like to read a lot. So, if anyone has any questions, do you want to type in the chat really quick or ask?
You're going to share the apps with your group.
And then there's instructions. We're a little short on time, so we're gonna try to go through this game a little faster. But if no one has any questions, we're gonna go into breakout rooms. All right, so that is the end of your time, and we'll be moving on to our next workshop with Trinity, and she'll be teaching coaching, I believe. And I hope you guys learned some unexpected things about your guys's team and got to know your interests, hobbies, or hidden talents.
Tell her about the games.
So, on a last note for me, I won't be doing another game. We have shared a file inside of all the drives that we shared with each county. And this file has 100 different icebreakers for you guys to use in your guys' workshops. So that's a resource that you guys can use in workshops and whenever you guys are teaching. So that's there for you guys to use. So with that, we'll move on to Trinity.